Welcome to .NET Technology video series. Today we will understand the concept of menu in Windows application. Menu are controls that allow a user to make selection. They also hide the selection that are not needed. Therefore, menu is used to saving space in window application. Any item that resides on a menu is known as a menu item and represent an individual part of menu. Here you can see that in a toolbox menu controls are defined or categorized in a menu and toolbar. Today we will see menu strip and context menu strip. Context menu strip is used to perform additional functionality. For example, from the window application, if you want to select some of the portion and want to copy, then based on the right click, additional option will be provided with the help of context menu strip, and you can paste such a content in some of the other control. At that time you can use context menu strip. For example, here I am clicking, then you can see such kind of menu provide with the help of context menu strip, and with the help of menu strip such a menu will be provided to the user in a window application. So first we will see menu strip, and then after we will see context menu strip. Just you have to drag and drop menu from the toolbox to your application. It's easy to provide the menu items, file, view, and then after another open, save, exit, open, project, website. Likewise you can design your menu. It's a direct designing procedure. From the property you can also write such kind of things. For that you have to remember one property. It's an item property. Just click on it. Here you can see that file and view. Then two tool strip menu item we have added, file and view. In that you have to set text file. It will appear on a display. Then view, it will appear on a display. In a sub menu you have to click on drop down item for particular tool strip menu item. Just click it, open, then it will give you another sub options, open, save, exit, whatever you have written. In a open also drop down item, just click it. It's a project, website. You can see in a text property it is mentioned. If you want to another sub menu, then you can also click on drop down item. Likewise it will give you the menu, and you can design your menu as per the requirement. And on the click event, if you want to open the form or want to open another things, then on the click event you have to write that particular code. For example, on the clicking event, if you want to add another form, just we have going to add here, add new item, give the name project, edit, open, project. Double click on the particular menu item and write the code of open the form. For that you have to create the object project pr is equal to new project pr dot so. This is the code to open the form, you have to create the object of that particular form, and with the help of object we can call this show method. Will show your project form on the clicking of menu item. Now we are going to check our output. Click on project, it will open project form. So in such a way you can design your menu. Now we will understand the context menu strip. To better understand the context menu strip, here I am taking one of the control, it's a rich text box. Just drag and drop context menu strip, copy, paste, right click on the context menu strip. We have to again remember the property item, just click on it, copy and paste. Text is paste. Two things which we have mentioned. One more thing, shortcut key. If you want to use shortcut key with this option, then you can select any of the shortcut key. By default shortcut for the copy is Control C. So here we are changing it and make it Alt C. Because if we are going to press Control C and Control V, then definitely it will copy our content and paste our content. But without Control C and Control V, we want to perform copy and paste with the help of Alt C and Alt V. Click OK. In the copy portion, you have to write method rich text box dot copy. And in the paste rich text box dot paste method. One more thing you have to define, on particular control you want to apply context menu strip, then you have to select that thing from the property also. So right click on rich text box, and find the property context menu strip and select it, otherwise it will not appear at the runtime. This is context menu. Just we are going to copy it, copy these things and paste things. We are also selecting this one. Here I am pressing Alt C, Alt V, then it will also work. Outside it will not provide option because we are not giving the context menu to form, but we are putting such a functionality to rich text box. You can also to see shortcut key which we have defined. So likewise you can use menu items, menu strip and context menu strip. One of the small concept or small control we are going to cover here, it's a tooltip. All we know that tooltip is used to display information when the user move the pointer over a associate control. For example, if I am moving the pointer or mouse, at the time you can visible to see tooltip version 4.00. It's nothing but with the help of tooltip you can provide such a facility to the any of the control. So how we can use this control, just drag and drop. It will not appear on the form, but you can see it's in a bottom panel. We have to set property in which some of the property related with the time: auto delay, auto pop-up, reset delay, initial delay. It will give you the time on which the tooltip will appear. Another thing is tooltip icon. Tooltip icon, if you want to display in the form of error, then you can select error in the form of warning, and at that time you can select warning in the form of information. At that time you can select information. For example, we are here going to set error, then we will see it how it will appear. For example, you want to bind the tooltip with the rich text box, then select one property. This is rich text box. One property, tooltip on tooltip 1. Now execute the program. So here you can see that it will appear in the form of error. This is rich text box. So likewise you can use tooltip. I hope you understand the concept of menu, context, menu script and tooltip. Thank you for watching this video.